Welcome to my channel, Learn English with Pamar.
Hey, I heard your mom isn't feeling well. How's she doing?
Yeah, she's been a bit unwell lately. Took her to the doctor for a checkup.
I hope it's nothing serious. What did the doctor say?
They're running some tests to figure out what's going on. Hoping it's just a minor issue.
I'm sorry to hear that. It must be tough for both of you. How is your mom handling it?
She's a bit worried, but trying to stay positive. The waiting game is tough, though. It's hard to see her go through this uncertainty.
Don't worry. Everything will be all right. If there's anything I can do to help, or if you need someone to talk to, I'm here.
I appreciate that. I am trying to support mom and keep positive thoughts while we wait for the test results. It's just a waiting period now, hoping for the best. Hi, doctor. I wanted to check in on my mom's test results. How are things looking?
Hello, Ronnie. I understand your concern. The tests are still processing, and we're carefully reviewing the results. I'll make sure to keep you updated as soon as we have a clear picture.
Alright, doctor. Thank you for keeping me informed. If there's anything I can do or if there are specific steps we need to take, please let me know.
Absolutely, Ronnie. We'll work together to ensure the best care for your mom.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and don't miss to press the bell icon.